Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the icon block that helps you create quick and creative icons for your landing page. Let's go. Clicking on the empty block space and typing the icon in the search box. Click on the block to insert it into the page. What you are seeing right now is the default icon displayed by the icon block. Open the block menu to start customizing the icon. Here, you can select your icon from the existing WordPress icon library, or you can upload custom icons. But that feature is coming soon, so I have to wait a little while. Once you insert a logo, you can add a link to it by turning on the linkable button and inserting a link in the field below. You can also decide the link to open in a new tab every time. Also, you can change the icon alignment using the option below. As for the style customization of your icon, you can go to the Style tab to explore. Here, you can customize the icon size for starters. From the bottom, you can customize the icon background color, also the icon color. Because of the subtle color of the background, it's barely visible, but you can adjust the padding value to add more space for the icon background. Then from the top, you can find the border option, which lets you add a border around the icon with custom border type, color, and width. Also, you can increase the border radius value to round the corners of the border. There's also a box shadow option at the bottom. Here, you can select shadow color, type, position, blur, and spread. The colors and shadow options are also available for creating a hover effect, so you can take advantage of them easily. After these modifications, you can simply save and use the current style of the icon block to display content to your audience. You can also take these ready patterns here to use in your landing page or get inspired from thanks to this modular icon block feature. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!